This is the StrongArm Fine Edge fixed blade knife. It features full tang construction with a 420 high carbon fine edge blade for strength and durability. It's coated in black ceramic for low profile use and corrosion resistance. The knife's handle has a rubber overmold engineered with a diamond texture for superior grip in all conditions. The modular sheath has snapped together components that allow you to mount the knife in multiple ways, using MOLLE or vertically or horizontally on a standard tactical belt. Proudly built in Portland, Oregon, this is the StrongArm fixed blade knife.
The M16 14 SFG designed by Kit Carson has a high carbon stainless steel blade with a non-reflective black titanium nitride finish. The 3.875-inch dual grind blade has a Tanto tip which is excellent for penetration and exclusive patented VEF serrations which offer exceptional cutting of fibrous materials. The G10 handles form an open build frame which is easy to clean and built to sustain heavy use. It also has a stainless steel locking liner which, when used with our auto lock safety, automatically turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The auto lock safety mechanism features easy one-handed closing. For convenient carry, the knife has a 4-position clip. The Carson flipper enables a smooth, fast, one-handed deployment, and the dual hilt acts as a blade guard. The Special Forces G10 models have been specifically designed with features requested by military procurement specialists.
Holtzman's Bloodline is the perfect knife for bushcraft, survival, and general outdoor use. This unique, high-quality knife includes a G10 handle with an ergonomic design for superior grip and longevity. The handle consists of a finger guard that keeps your fingers safely behind the cutting edge. The overall length of this fixed blade knife measures 8.5 inches, consisting of a razor-sharp, full-tang 4-inch blade. The blade is constructed from a thick slab of 1095 high-carbon steel and runs the full length of the knife. The high-carbon steel is meticulously heat-treated to ensure superior strength and blade retention without becoming brittle. The Kydex sheath has the extra security of a removable leather strap. The knife has an adjustable belt clip with adjustable spacers, allowing it to fit belts and straps of various sizes. The belt clip is spring-loaded, has a locking feature, and can be flipped 90 degrees to enable different carry options with the included Allen wrench. The sheath includes 2 attachments. One attachment is designed to hold the scraper. The other attachment is for holding the ferrule rod. Both of these attachments can be removed with the included Allen wrench. The ferrule rod has an overall length of over 3.5 inches with a matching G10 handle. The scraper has the perfect blend of steel and is heat treated to perfection to produce sparks of high intensity with every use. The scraper includes a 90-degree edge on every side, enabling all edges to be used as well for ambidextrous use. It also comes with a matching G10 handle. Included in the kit is a strong 550 paracord, which can be added to the handles of the knife and accessories. Additionally, the paracord can be used to create a lanyard for the ferrule rod and scraper. This set comes nicely packaged in a genuine quality gift box and is perfect for the holidays, birthdays, or as a treat for yourself.
The Smith & Wesson SWA-24S is a tactical folding knife designed for the rigors of EDC carry. Perfect for constant use. The 3.1-inch serrated 7CR17 high-carbon stainless steel clip-point blade excels at slicing through just about any material. The black aluminum handle has strategically placed jimping and finger cutouts for a secure grip. Open the blade by way of the ambidextrous thumb knobs and the index flipper. This is the Smith & Wesson SWA-24S Extreme Ops Liner Lock Folding Knife, a quality tool designed for your most demanding needs.